Hi, in this session, let's see some challenges on queries, self-contained subqueries and correlated subqueries. Let's see some examples, and it is most important practical examples for interview purpose. Let's see. This is the requirement: return the following product details for cheapest product from products table. See, from products table, I want I want cheapest product. So here the cheapest means minimum value, right? So let's see this. The result will be like this: select from OS where list price is equal to minimum. So this will be the query. Let's see. uh, Here select product ID, product name, list price category wise from OES dot products, where here list price is equal to parenthesis, select minimum list price from OS products. Just execute. See, this is the least product. If you want maximum price costly product, you can use max. Right, max price 3000. Right, minimum price 20. Like this you can achieve. Right, let's see. Use a correlated subquery to return the following product details for the cheapest products in each product category as given by the category column. So in each category, I already told, in each category how to get the cheapest product. And this is the important interview question. How to get, see, in employees table I already told, in employees table all the employee salaries are there, and department wise I want maximum salaried employee or minimum salaried employee I want. How to achieve this? Right, let's see. Here we have to use the class. Here you can use that above one. You can get by using top one also, right? This query also you can use top price order by ascending order. So let's see, inner join. Here minimum price. Here what are the IDs? Here select star. So we already have the query. Let's go to the query. This is the query. Let's expand this query. So select p dot product ID from same table, product name, product list price category from the OES products, products P as alias name, and where p dot list price is equal to, and list price we have to select from that same another subquery, correlated query. Here minimum price and alias p2 table, and where p2 category is the department ID for employees department ID, and p2 second table, p2 category ID, p1 category ID. Like this you can achieve. Right, see. Let's go to third chart. Return the same result as challenge 2, that is the cheapest products in each product category, except this time by using an inner join to a derived table. By using inner join, like calculate the minimum price for each category ID group put this is an alias subquery in the from clause, then join this derived to products table, joining on both category ID and price. See how it could be. Select product ID and inner join with alias same. Select category ID, minimum list price as minimum list from OS products, group by category ID, group by category ID as P2. Here on inner join on P dot category ID is equal to P2 dot category. P2 dot is this will be the P2 dot, right? And that list price should be minimum, right? Inner join, by using inner join you can achieve this in two ways: correlated query, correlated subquery, and by using inner join you can, right? You can achieve. Fourth challenge. What is the fourth challenge? Return the same result as challenge 2 and 3, the cheapest product in each product category, except this time by using a common CTE, some CTE expression, right? With some CTE expression, same result. CTE expression, let's see. With cheap products by category as select category ID, minimum list price as minimum list price from OS products, group by category ID, and select these columns, and from OS products P, inner join cheapest product P on P category ID, P category ID is equal to P2 category ID, second table. P2 category ID and P list is equal to P2 list. In that way you can achieve by using common table expression, right? See, cheap products, this alias name is P2, right? Here P2 alias. And what is that fifth challenge? Repeat challenge 4, except this time include the product category names as given in the OS product categories table. In the outer query, this time include product category name as given in the OS product category table. In the outer query, include an additional join to the OS product category table in order to get the category name. See, with cheap products, cheapest product of category ID alias as category ID and minimum price from OS products table, group by category ID, and select from P, inner join OS product category, say PC product category, alias name on PC category ID is equal to P dot category ID. Again inner join cheapest product P2 on P1 category ID is equal to P2 category ID, and P dot list price is equal to minimum price of the P2. In this way you can achieve, right, this query. Annual object and cheapest products by category. Sorry, here I did not copy this with CT expression, common table expression. See, like this you can product, right? Sixth challenge. The employee ID column in the OS orders table gives the employee ID of the salesperson who made the sale. So here who made the sale means here you can use not in operator or a self-contained subquery. However, make sure to include nulls from the employee ID column. See, challenge. Use the not in operator to return all employees who have never been the salesperson for any customer ID. here not in, and here we have to use where condition. For that, see, select employee ID first and last name from external employees where employee ID not in this, and select employee ID from OS orders where employee ID is not null, right? Like this you have to query, right? And return the same result as challenge 6 except use not exists. Here same, I can use a collected subquery to collect the employee ID. Same, 7th, here not exists where employee ID is equal to employee ID, o.employee ID. I already explained this topic, just practice this by pausing the video, and you can practice and check the solutions. Right, select employee employee name, employee first name, and from HCM employee C where not exists, select see. 8th challenge, return unique customers who have ordered the PPX smartwatch 4, include these fields. Use this in operator and self-contained join subquery. Let's see, this is that query. Right, select customer from customer C where customer ID, in, again self customer ID from customers join orders ID on order ID is equal to OI dot order ID, is equal to O order ID. Here OI order is from order items, and join OS products P on P dot product ID is equal to OI dot product ID where P dot product name is equal to, here V dot product name is equal to PBX smartwatch 4. In this way, solution of challenges at return unique customers who have ordered like this. These are the customers ordered PBX 4 watch, smartwatch. Right, in that way just follow the solutions. These are the important topics. Let's see. Let's meet in next session. Let's see.